Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is a Slovenian stamp, and that will give you a clue to this coin that's coming up. Also, amongst the stamps I've just received just recently is this second class Christmas stamp, which is quite nice actually. I do like that design. It's a very nice design. However, to the coin. The coin is a €2 coin, and it's minty fresh. And it's minty fresh for one very simple reason. We have a coin which is a €2 coin issued in 2022 for the Erasmus Project. It was issued from the country of Slovenia. The obverse shows the obverse here shows the European map and the value of the €2. On the reverse, this is a coin that is to celebrate 10 years of the Erasmus Project. It's a mix of two elements. You've got the Erasmus program and you've got Erasmus himself. There are 12 stars on the coin, which representing the stars of the European flag, and you have Erasmus here on the right hand side of the inner part of the bimetallic coin. Erasmus was born Desiderius Erasmus Rotterdamus. That's Desidous, and then Erasmus is Erasmus, and Rotterdamus is Roterdames, I think. He was also known as Erasmus of Rotterdam. He was born on the 28th of October 1466. He was a philosopher and Catholic theologian. Thought of as one of the greatest philosophers and Northern Renaissance thinkers. Known as the Prince of the Humanists. This was a organisation that was in the Tudor times, late times of the last Plantagenet king, which was Richard III, right the way through to most of the Tudor period. He wrote texts in Latin and Greek, or translated texts of Latin and Greek of the New Testament. Amongst the papers he wrote, which are the famous papers he wrote, they were titled On Free Will, In Pursuit of Folly, I think it is. In Precise of Folly, sorry. The Handbook of the Christian Knight, On Civility in Children, and Copia, a Foundation of the Abundant Style. And the final one was Julius Exclusius. Erasmus died suddenly in Basel in Switzerland in 1536 while preparing to return to Brabant, as he was buried in Basel Minster. Okay, right, eventually. It's the Basel Minster, which is like the Catholic Church. 1536, of course, was a very notorious year in the British calendar. 1536 was the year that Catherine Aragon died. That in Berlin was brought to trial, and herself and 4 other men were executed in that particular instance. So 1536 was quite a notorious year in Britain, it's certainly. So what do you think of this coin? It's the brand new one. It's been produced by several EU countries. I believe it's either 16 or 18. I may be corrected on that, so it may well be more. I actually like this coin, and when I saw it up on eBay I couldn't resist it. I was looking for a German or Dutch one, but this one will do to start the collection off. Do you like this coin? If you do, let me know. Whoops, the other way. If you like this coin, thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I am also looking to increase my subscription level this year. I'm hoping to get to 100 by Christmas, so if you've enjoyed this video and you believe I deserve it, whether this is your first time or you're a returner, could you please hit the subscription channel? It doesn't cost you anything, and I'd be delighted to have you along for the rest of my journey in coins and banknotes, etc. Now, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy watching over the next week. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da!